Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today's star of the shave is the razor company's Cedar Orange, what I like to call wet shaving's best kept secret. Shh. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today we're doing a shaving chat, and the star of the show is Cedar Orange, or I like to call it wet shaving's best kept secret. It comes in a soap puck, and all the scents that you could, oh my god, the scent profile. You smell the orange and the cedar perfectly mended together. Oh my god, it's like paradise. Look at how it lathers. I'm using I can't pronounce the name of the brush, but it's a discount store brush. My trusty TRC lather bowl. Discount cedar splash. Stirling orange chill. And gem razor. It's a G-bar razor with a modified OneBlade. So how's everyone doing today? I really was looking forward to this shave, especially this shave, because this soap, I mean, the quality for the price you pay is unrealistic. I sometimes think it's a typo, but I put it in my cart. I go order it, and it comes, so I guess it's not a mistake. Oh, let me get my bougie sprayer. My only complaint about the soap is not the soap itself, is that it doesn't have an accompanying splash. Henceforth, I have to use a cedar splash from a discount store, and you know me, if I use a splash, I have to automatically use a balm or a gel. I have to go in that sequential order from thin to thick. So how's everyone doing today? Hope you're having a great shave and great meals, and remember, you're not alone in this world. There's someone that's always thinking about you, and because you're always thinking about someone else, it's continuous, you know, the love and the affection we have for one another, and we should keep it that way with respect. Oh my god, the smell is perfectly balanced. That was the word I was looking for, balanced. Oh my god, the orange and the cedar, it's like a yin and a yang, it perfectly blend. Oh my god. I'm just saying, if it came with a company splash, I probably, oh my god, I think it'll be great. But I'm speaking it into the universe. I hope everyone agrees with me. Beautiful. Look at that lather. Look at that protection, that thin coat to protect. I love using this soap. I know there's many artisans out there, but this one, to me, is like a homegrown artisan to me. It's my personal opinion, but I love this soap. Oh, I got the Old Time Barbershop. I got a couple of others. I can't name off the top of my head, but yeah. Look at that lather. Okay, let me go for my first pass. Huh? Lather was going all over everywhere. Oh. I was due with the grain. Oh man. I love hearing that audio feedback. It's just music to my ears. I wish someone could do an ASMR. Is that what it's called when you hear those sounds like on the microphone like that? If they do an ASMR of the feedback from not only one person, from different people, I think I can meditate to that. Sorry I'm quiet, but I make it a rule of thumb that I don't talk when I'm under my Adam's apple or in my throat for safety reasons. Oh man. Go for my second pass. Get some more lather. Beautiful. I could have easily finished at this one pass, but I'm a 3-pass guy. That's my thing. And your shave, your rules. What makes you happy? The scent is so well blended. Whoever's the scent master for this soap, 2 thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, second pass. Second pass coming through. Where did I put my razor? Oh, there. Discombobulator. Good. Oh man, I've been looking forward to this shave all day. So tell me, let's have a conversation. What type of razor you like, or what type? No. Let's focus on the soap, because the soap is the star of this shave. What type of soap do you like? Do you like Cropes, which is cream and soap? Do you like creams? Do you like triple milled or hard puck? Do you like tubes? You know, that's the reason why I love this hobby so much, because so much choices to choose from. Scented, unscented, very strong scented, very mild scented. The list goes on, man. Like, oh man. Just really love this shave. And this soap is very protective. Let me go for my 3rd pass. I can't believe already a 3rd pass. What am I, the Flash in shaving? Whoop, finished. Let me finish off the lather. I'm telling you, this is my 3rd pass. Look at all that lather. Look at all that beautiful lather. Looks like what's that? Meringue. Yes. Oh my god. I'm gonna put some back in the bowl so I can actually do this the proper way. It's like a lemon meringue. You know, when lemon meringue on that pie? Yeah. Or whipped cream. Oh man, I love this lather. Can't go wrong with it. Third pass is usually my money pass, meaning whatever I didn't get in my first 2 passes, it usually picks it up. Like my cleanup hitter in baseball. Yeah. Okay, yep. Sorry, keep getting messaged, but that's okay. Beautiful. I'm going to use some of that lather because why let it go to waste? Oh man, I could do this all day. But you want to see me shave, and I want to see me shave. But it feels so relaxing. Third shave coming up, 3rd pass coming up. God. BBS. Oh man. I don't know about you, but when I get a great shave, it just puts a pep in my step. My whole outlook in life is better. It's like the sun is out and the birds are chirping and there's rainbows all around and there's butterflies and it's just crazy. I feel like I'm in like a Candyland. Oh man. This is a masterpiece shave. Oh man. I don't need to go over, but I just... Okay, for you newbies out there, be careful of over buffing. That means going over a spot more than a couple of times. It could cause skin irritation, but you know, once you know your face with the razor you're using and you know how to use it, then go along. As you progress in anything in life, as you progress in anything, you will know the bounds and the limits of what you can do and what you can't do. Same like in wet shaving, you know. Oh, God, I don't even feel like I want to put the splash, but you know, always safety first. I'm just cleaning up my face. Oh man, this has been a great shave. Now for the splash, just some cedarwood from a discount store. You can tell because they usually put a lot of alcohol in here if there's a sting, but no sting at all. Let me get the balm because, you know, I have to use a balm. If I have a splash, I have to use a balm. Yeah. Oof. Oh my God. I'm going to go over my lineup. Today's lineup was a gem G bar razor with a modified OneBlade with a gem spine on it. Discount store Cedarwood splash. Stirling orange chill. I got this like I think on the discount store, this brush, but it really is good because it has like these bristles that you feel. I like to change it up. Sometimes I like a smooth, silky brush lather, and sometimes I want a little grit in it. Of course, my trusty one of many, the razor company TRC lather bowls. They produce a beautiful lather, and of course, we cannot forget the star of the show, the quarterback of the offense. What makes this shave go around? The razor company Cedar Orange Puck Soap. I'm telling you people, newbies, old bees, wherever your spectrum is in the shave, longevity or time, you gotta give this soap a try. And please, anyone out there who has the powers to be, try to get a splash, matching splash for this, because if it is, oh my God, it'll be out of this world. It's already out of this world, but it'll be like many layers more. I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Go to therazorcompany.com to get all your wet shaving needs and hygiene needs. Saturdays, the Razor Company Live on Instagram does a great live of educating and entertaining people. It's at the Razor Company Live. You have 4 great people talk about wet shaving, talk about life. We keep it rated G, general audience. You know, a 1-year-old or a 101-year-old could all watch it, all in between. Enjoy, and thank you for blessing me with your time. Bye.